2. The principal. Your school name. City. Subject: application for change of section from B to A. Respected Sir and Madam, I respectfully state that I am a student of your class, Section B, in your school. I wish to request a change of my section from B to A. The reason for this request is, state reason briefly, e.g., my close friends are in Section A and we work well together in studies. My house location and timetable match better with Section A. I am facing difficulty adjusting in my current section. I assure you that I will maintain good discipline and continue to work hard in my studies after the change. I hope you will kindly consider my request and allow me to shift to Section A. I shall be very thankful for your cooperation. Yours obediently. Your name. Class, your class, Section B. Roll no, your roll number.